This is a 1981 Casablanca Victorian ceiling fan in the very, very seldomly seen antique copper finish. If it weren't for Jared Harrell, also known as Amberlin 6914, letting me borrow this beauty, I would not have it. And now I do. So let's go ahead and start off with low. Slumber quiet still works on this fan. It's got walnut stencil blades. Slumber quiet still works, obviously. I'm going to take it up a quarter of a turn. Take it up another quarter. Now, if you see a light bulb flickering, it's just this light bulb right here. It's a little bit glitchy and stuff. Stand right here. Take up another quarter or so, and then we'll turn it to full tilt. Full tilt. Go ahead and let it coast, and we'll end the video off. Hope you all enjoyed. Thank you for watching.